You eat well. You try to sleep enough. You even take your vitamins. So why do you still get sick so easily? Why do small colds knock you out for days? Why do random body aches, fatigue, and low energy seem to follow you like a shadow? The truth is, your immune system isn't just underperforming, it may be under attack. And it could all be because of one habit that millions of people repeat every single day, without even knowing it's harming them. And if you want to know what's weakening your defense system silently, pause here and subscribe, because your body is sending warnings, and this is your moment to listen. The habit. Chronic sleep deprivation sounds simple, right? But sleep isn't just rest. It's when your body reboots your immune system. And if you're skipping this step regularly, you're quietly dismantling your body's ability to fight off disease, repair inflammation, and reset essential immune functions. Sleep is not optional. It's your body's command center for healing. And when you treat it like a luxury, you train your immune system to give up. Here's what happens when you regularly cut sleep short. One night of 5 to 6 hours? Your natural killer cells, the frontline defenders against viruses and cancer, drop by 70%, yes, 70%. In just one night. Imagine what happens after weeks, months, or years of poor sleep. Chronic sleep debt equals chronic inflammation. And inflammation is the root of almost everything we fear. From heart disease and diabetes, to autoimmune conditions and brain decline. Your immune system starts misfiring. Instead of defending, this is how joint pain, brain fog, and skin issues silently begin. And most people never trace it back to sleep. But it gets worse. With poor sleep, your body produces more cortisol, your stress hormone. This suppresses white blood cells, delays healing, and shortens your immune response time. That means you get sick more often, it takes longer to recover. You're more likely to develop chronic conditions over time. And here's the scariest part. You might feel fine, because the damage isn't loud. Do you wake up feeling groggy, even after 7+ hours in bed? Do you get sleepy during the day? Do you get frequent colds or take a long time to recover? Do you wake up multiple times during the night? Your immune system may already be under stress. And this is where it starts. If this is resonating, subscribe now, because we're just getting started. How to stop this habit from destroying you. It's not just about more sleep. It's about better sleep. Step 1. Fix your sleep window. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Your body thrives on rhythm. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. Why? Because immune cells operate on a circadian clock. Disrupt that clock, and you confuse the entire immune response. Step 2. Cut blue light at night. Your phone? Your laptop? All of them are tricking your brain into thinking it's daytime. And that suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for triggering deep, immune-boosting sleep. You'll fall asleep faster. And your immune system will thank you. 3. Magnesium plus herbal support. Most people are deficient in magnesium, which helps relax your nervous system. Add 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate before bed. You can also try calming herbs like valerian root, chamomile, lemon balm, ashwagandha. These don't just help you sleep, they reduce nighttime cortisol, which is directly linked to immune strength. 4. Respect deep sleep. REM and deep sleep are where the immune magic happens. This is when your body produces cytokines, proteins that fight inflammation and infection. Missing deep sleep means missing your body's ability to heal itself. If you're waking up tired, you're likely not reaching those deeper cycles. And the fix might be as simple as lowering caffeine after 2 p.m. and eating your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed. Bonus tip. Get early morning sunlight. Expose your eyes to natural sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. It resets your circadian rhythm, balances hormones, and improves melatonin production later at night. You're literally training your body to sleep better tonight by stepping outside this morning. So let's recap. Lack of quality sleep quietly destroys your immune system. It increases cortisol, inflammation, and disease risk. Most people don't even realize it's the cause of their symptoms. Your immune system isn't failing. From strengthening your body's most powerful defense. If this opened your eyes, don't stop here. The silent vitamin deficiency that's ruining your health. Why you wake up tired every day, and how to fix it. How to reset your gut in 72 hours, naturally and fast. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because your body isn't the problem. It's the signal. And starting now, you're listening.